am discussing about the simultaneous equations episode 3 of Mathematics Local Cambridge and Net Excel series. Okay. Minus 2 equation 3 divided by minus 2 is equal minus 1.5.
Next one, 2x plus 3y is equal 10. First formula, x plus y is equal 3. Second formula, if you compare the first formula and second formula, it can be decided it should be cut the y or x any variable from this x value or y value. I will select second formula and it should be multiplied with 2. After you multiply it with 2, it should be as a resultant formula, it should be see 2x plus 2y is equal 6. 2 by x 2x, 2 by y 2y, 2 by 3 is equal 6. Now you can represent it as the third formula, and after you can subtract first formula from the third formula. When you doing the subtraction part, you should be write the left side of the third formula, which is 2x plus 2y. After that minus left side of the first formula, which is 2x plus 3y. But when you write the left side of the first formula, it is necessary to write it in between parenthesis bracket is equal. After right side of the third formula is 6 minus right side of the first formula is minus 10. After that you can write the next line without parentheses or any without first parenthesis bracket. Now you can write it as 2x plus 2y, and after that you have to multiply this 2x plus 3y by using minus sign. Minus by 2x minus 2x minus by positive 3y is equal minus 3y again is equal 6 minus 10. After that you can cut this positive 2x to minus 2x, and after that it have remaining positive 2y and minus 3y is equal 6 minus 10. Now again it has written 2y is equal 2y minus 3y is equal minus 4. Now after you simplified the part of 2y minus 3y, it should become the answer as minus 1y is equal minus 4. Now you can move this minus 1 from this side to other side. After you moved it from this side to other side, it should go for the bottom. Now y is equal minus 4 over minus 1. If you say minus 4 divide minus 1 is equal 4. What is the reason for this positive 4? You can cut this top minus to bottom minus, and after that you have to substitute that answer, which is y is equal 4 for the first formula or second formula. I will select second formula. Now you can write it as y is equal 4, substitute to second formula. You can write second formula, which is x plus y is equal 3. Now you can substitute 4 for the y. Now x plus 4 is equal 3. After that you can move this 4 from this side to other side. After you moved it, x is equal 3 minus 4. 3 minus is equal x is equal 3 minus 4. Who is the large part? 4 is the large part. Who is the small part? The small part is 3. Difference between 4 and 3 is 1. Sign should be minus. Now you can write it as x is equal minus 1. Now next math, 3 over 5a plus 1 over 3b is equal 3. It is the first formula. Next one, 1 over 2a minus 1 over 3b is 8. It is the second formula. Now according to this equation you can combine first formula and second formula. After you combined it, it can be write it as 3 over left side of the first formula, which is 3 over 5a plus 1 over 3b. And after that positive, with positive you can write left side of the second formula, which is 1 over 2a minus 1 over 3b. But every time you try to write the left side of the second formula in between parenthesis bracket, and after that is equal 3 plus 8. Already you know simply 3 plus 8 is 11. After that 3 over 5a, without parenthesis bracket you can write it 1 over 3b and positive 1 over 2a, and again minus 1 over 3b is equal 11. After that you can cut this 3 over 5a and 3 over 5a and 3 over now you can cut this 1 over 3b and 1 over 3b. After that remaining 3 over 5a and 1 over 2a, you can write it as a combination 3 over 5a plus 1 over 2a is equal 11. And after that as a simple fractionable math, you can simplify it by using your fraction knowledge. I will get the 10 as the common factor for this 5 and 2. Now it has replaced on the bottom 10, and after that how many 5s including in this 10? 2. Now 2 by 3 6. After that with positive, how many 2s including in this 10? 5. Again 5 by 1 5. After that you can write it as in between this bracket 6 plus 5 over 10, and after that a is equal 11. Now 6 plus 5 is equal 11. Now you can write it as 11 over 10 and top a is equal 11. Now a is equal, now you can move this 11 of the left side and 10 of the left side for the right side. After you move it, you can see it as a is equal that right side 11 multiply with 10, and it should be divided by using that left side 11. You don't change the understand about the left side 11 and right side 11. Okay, now you can, after you simplify the last step, you can get any answer for the a is equal 10. After that, you have to substitute that answer for the first formula, second formula. According to my selection, I will substitute it for the first formula. Now you can write the first formula as 3 over 5a plus 1 over 3b is equal 3. Now 3 over 5x 3 over 5 multiply with 10. What is the reason for this 10? A is equal 10, already you know. 3 over 5 multiply with 10 plus 1 over 3b is equal 3. After that, you can cut this 5 and 10 by using 5. How many 5s including in this 5? 1. How many 5s including in this 10? 2. And after that, you can multiply this 3 and 2. 3 by 2 is equal 6. 6 plus 1 over 3b is equal 3. After that, you can move this 6 from this side to other side. When you move it from this side to the side, it should be changed the side. After that, you can write it as 1 over 3b is equal 3 minus 6. Now 1 over 3b is equal minus 3. What is the reason for this minus 3? Large number of this simplification 6, small number is 3. The difference between large number and small number is 3. Sign of the large number is minus, because of the reason 1 over 3b is equal 1 minus 3. Now you can move this 1 and 3 from this left side to right side. After you move from left side to right side, you can write it as b is equal minus 3 multiply 3 and over 1. Now after that, there isn't any value for this one, because of that reason. Now you can write directly the value, which is b is equal minus 9. Now next one, 2 over 3x plus 3 over 2y is equal minus 1. It is the first formula. After that, 4x minus 5y is equal 22. It is the second formula. And after that, you can multiply first formula by using that circled 3 and circled 2. The reasons for this multiplication of 3 and 2, you consider about the bottoms of the first formula, and there isn't any bottom parts for the second formula. Now due to that reason, you have to remove all the parts of the bottom of the first formula. Because of that reason, now you can multiply first formula by using the bottom of the first formula and first part, and bottom of the first formula and second part, which is 2. Now you can multiply first formula by using that 3 and 2. It has circled on the screen. Now you can multiply with the 3 and 2. We will make a review how to multiply it with 3 and 2. Now again you can write the first formula, which is 2 over 3 multiply 3 multiply 2, and again multiply x already it has. Now 3 over 2 multiply 3, again multiply 2, again multiply with y, already y was is equal minus 1. Minus 1 also, minus 1 should be multiplied with that common multiplication part, which is 3 and 2. Now you consider about the first line of that multiplication line, and after that you can cut this 3 and 3 of the first part of the second line, 2 over 3 in here, and after that you can cut this 2 placed on the bottom of the second part of the second line, 3 over 2 in here. Now you can cut this 3 to 3 and 2 to 2. It also shown by using some symbol. Now after you cut this 3 to 3 and 2 to 2, now you can write the next line as two remaining numerical parts and algebraic parts. What are the remaining numerical and algebraic parts? 2 by 2 and x, after that with positive 3 by 3 with y, and after that is equal minus 6. Now you can write the line of the after simplified 2 by 2 is equal 4. With that text you should write 4x plus again 3 by 3 9y is equal minus 6. After that it has been generated the new formula. You can identify it by using the label 3 efficient formula number 3. Okay, anyway, now you can subtract second formula from third formula. What is the left side of the third formula? 4x plus 9y. Now what is the left side of the second formula? 4x minus 5x. But you should remember, when you write the left side of the second formula, it should be right with the in front minus. What is the reason for this minus? Now we are doing a subtraction part. When you're doing a subtraction part, it is a very necessary thing. Okay, anyway, now you can write the first part without bracket 4x plus 9, and after that minus you have to multiply this in between minus sign with that 4x minus 5x. Now we will multiply it minus by 4x minus with minus 5x, it should be positive 5x, and after that is equal, it has placed right on the right side minus 6 and minus 22. After you simplified it, you can write it as minus 28, and again you can cut that 4x to 4x. Now it has remaining 9y and 5y. Now you can write the simplified answer as 9 plus 5 is equal 14. Now 14y is equal right side answer, it is showing minus 28. Now 14y is equal minus 28. After that you can move this 14 from this side to other side. After it moved from this side to other side, it should be go for the bottom. Now you can write it as y is equal minus 28 over 14. Now y is equal minus 2. What is the reason for this minus 2? 28 over 14 is equal to, but with that minus you can write it as y is equal minus 2. Now you have to substitute that answer for the second formula, which is the second formula 4x minus 5y is equal 22. Now again next line 4x minus 5. Now in this line you have to substitute minus 2, which what is the value of this minus 2? It is the value of y. That y value, which is minus 2, it have to substitute for this line, for this y on this line. 4x minus 5 by minus 2 is equal 22. Now again 4x plus 10 is equal 22. What is the reason for this 10? Minus the multiplication of the minus 5 and minus 2, it should be positive 2, positive 10. Now you can write it as 4x plus 10 is equal 22. Again, as a simple equation, you can simplify it as the as a previous simple equation, and after that you can get the answer as 3 for the x. It is a previous lesson already I have done. Okay, anyway, you consider about all of these models of this simultaneous equation, and after that again and again you pause the video and you try to do that all the questions yourself. It is the feasibility to your all the examinations and your knowledge. You consider about that and you work hardly, you will be able to get the result you are hoping. Okay, anyway, goodbye.